Hello and welcome back. As you can see, we are on the Unity Web Player download page. To get there, go to unity3d.com/webplayer. We currently have an old version of the Unity Web Player. Our version is 5.3.1F1. This is old and might not run our game properly on AppGeezer. So, we need to make sure we download a new one. So, click Download and then wait for the file to download. If you're on a Windows computer, make sure you click Windows first. So, it's now downloaded. Double click to open, and it will then open. Click Install Unity Web Player. Make sure you double click, then you'll be guided through the steps. So, the installation is successful. Our game will now work properly. In the next lecture, we'll be starting to create our game, so see you there.